Hello everyone and welcome back to Nihal's Lab Notes. Today we are diving deeper into the realm of data visualization using Python in Jupyter Notebook. So without further ado, let's jump right now. So here's Kaggle. Kaggle is a data science competition platform, an online community of data scientists and machine learning practitioners under Google LLC. So as you see, Kaggle is the world's largest data science community with powerful tools and resources to help you achieve your data science goals. So here, the wine quality data sets, as you see, I'm going to download it. Okay. So it's okay. It's already downloaded. So if you want to learn more about this wine quality data sets, you can just go here and you can see detail. So it's a CSV file, one Qt CSV file, 68 KB. This data frame contains the following columns. So it contains 13 columns, as you see. Don't worry, I've already put this link in the description below. It's done, our file is ready, so let's go to Jupyter Notebook. So here's the Jupyter Notebook. Before we get started, let's put a name for this Jupyter Notebook. I think it's wine quality datasets. Okay. So for the first step is to load or to read the CSV file with pandas. So I'm going to use pandas library. So import pandas as PD. Then to read the CSV file, we need the path to the file to read it. So I'm going to put a comment here. So the path to the file to read it. Let's put wine or wine quality or wine path. Yeah. Here's the path. So it's work. Then I'm going to read the file into a variable. So wine pd.read CSV and copy this and just right here. Okay, then let's print it. So wine, you can see that's this dataset contains 13 columns and 1,143 rows. Now let's visualize this wine data set with a heat map. So first of all, I'm going to import cburn as SNS. But why cburn? So the cburn package allows the creation of annotated heat maps, which can be tweaked using matplotlib tools as per the creator's requirements. So sns.heatmap data wine nodes equal to true. It takes a few seconds. So here's the heat map for this data sets. I know it's look horrible. It's a heat map for 1,143 rows. If you ask me about what's the heat map, so as you see, it's two-dimensional graphical representation of data where the individual values that are contained in a matrix are represented as colors. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future content. Your support means the world to us, and subscribing is the best way to stay up to date with all the latest video we have in store for you.